My respect to our Regional Director, Carlos A. Evangelista. Also my respect to our Assistant Regional Director, Attorney Ariel B. Bacatan. To my colleagues, good afternoon. This is an event extremely important for me. I am humbled and blessed to reach this milestone in my career as a civil servant. Looking back, when I was just starting in the commission, I started my career in CSE Caraga in Butuan City. I was hired as an accountant on September 1, 2005. It was a bittersweet memory because 5 days after my hiring, we lost our firstborn child. Such memory became my source of strength to strive to become a better public servant that I can be. I stayed in CSE Caraga until 2010 and transferred to CSE RO7 in 2011. The reason I transferred to CSE RO7 is because my brother and sister was going abroad and my parents, who are all retired, are left alone in our home here in Cebu City. Fortunately for me, I was accepted by CSE RO7 and found a home here. CSE RO7 has done a lot of things that transformed me as a person. My capabilities back in 2005 was far from who I am today, and CSE RO7 has a lot to do with it. Here in CSE RO7, I was given an opportunity to lead, collaborate, and innovate. And those opportunities will never come without the support of my office mates as well as my supervisors. Please allow me to take this opportunity to say thank you to every division that I am assigned with. First is in MSD. MSD is my first assignment, and I cannot forget that I was designated as OIC in MSD for 2 months because during that time, Ma'am Nona underwent a surgery. So dili kayo pressure kay bago pa man ko transfer ato from CSE Caraga to CSE RO7. My second assignment was in PAL. To my PAL colleagues, headed by Ma'am Proline Daclan, together with Ma'am Salve, thank you so much for your support and understanding. Despite the numerous assignments given to us, the fun run, the half awarding, etc., we still managed to pull it off. To my PSET team, headed by Ma'am GI, and with my sister Jen and Ma'am Cynthia, thank you for your unwavering support throughout my stint. My assignment in PSET widens my understanding about HR system and its importance to government agency. We have the opportunity to observe and compare various HR systems in various government agencies in Region 7. I made the realization that government agency fails in their public service delivery because of its weak HR system or the lack of it. To my HRD family, headed by Ma'am Badet with Ritz, Rick, and Brenda, thank you for giving me a room to innovate and apply whatever knowledge I gained throughout my journey in CSE. We have so many innovations this year, and this will never come into realization without your support. To all other DCs, field directors, office mates, my committee mates, and everyone who I have pleasure of working with, thank you for all your support and understanding. To my past RDs and ARDs, to RD Caloy and ARD Bacatan, thank you for believing in me. 15 years in government service is a lot of time, but it is time well spent with you guys. I'm looking forward to the next milestone in my career. Thank you and good afternoon.